I'm Chad, and today we are not starting off in virtual reality, but we will get there. But first, I want to talk a little bit about launch control, which seems to be a feature that many super bikes and hyper naked bikes are becoming equipped with nowadays. So my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR and my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory are equipped with this feature. And obviously, it's a completely racing-inspired thing. The only purpose launch control serves is to help you get off the line faster when you're going from a dig, such as if you are drag racing or if you are starting a race from a stop on a circuit. And today, I decided I want to use this feature for the first time on my Tuono factory. So, we're going to do just that. Virtually, of course, because that would be very bad if we did it in real life on a public road. Very risky. First, let's talk a little bit about launch control and what exactly it does. In case you weren't aware, or in case you just needed a reminder, the Tuono V4 1100, particularly the 2017 and up, is packed with a mass selection of electronic rider aids. Now, these include traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, and launch control, amongst other things. And the majority of these features are designed to help you go faster, safer, except for launch control. My understanding is it says specifically in the Aprilia owner's manual for the Tuono V4 and RSV4 that it is for closed course use only by expert level riders. So, quite the warning to be heeded. Now, I did some research on both the Aprilia forum and just looking around online, and my understanding is that the way that launch control works on the Tuono V4, as well as many other motorcycles that are equipped with it, is when you enable it, it sets a lower rev limit for the engine. And what this does is enables you to just open the throttle and not have to worry about managing your revs when you prepare for a clutch drop, or to slip the clutch smoothly, I should say. You don't want to just drop the clutch. That's going to loop you out. It'd be a bad time. So, in addition to the rev limit, the bike's other electronic rider aids that are enabled will also help to give you the fastest and smoothest launch possible. So, wheelie control and traction control. But this still requires some level of skill and manual effort because you are responsible for slipping the clutch. You can't just drop it, or like I just said a second ago, you're gonna probably loop it, which is gonna be a bad time. And if you get out of it too quickly and don't hold the gas open enough, you could bog the engine where the revs fall outside of the power band, which kills your drive and acceleration from that dig. So now let's virtually see how this works on the Tuono V4. So into virtual reality we go. And here's virtual reality. So to enable launch control, you hold the plus and minus buttons for traction control down. That lets you know that launch control is enabled. And then you put the bike into gear, rev it up, and go. Oh my god. Back to reality. Virtual Chad might have been able to hunker down there a little bit more, but woo, that was crazy. So, first time ever virtually using launch control, and that was pretty wild. I think I virtually could have gotten out of the clutch a little bit faster, but that was cool, and that virtually sounded amazing. It did about what I expected. Hold the revs up at 9,500, 10,000 or so, somewhere between 9 and 10,000. And you just go and get out of the clutch, and I could feel it a little bit trying to get the front wheel off the ground virtually, and had to virtually modulate the clutch lever to get it back down and work with the throttle and everything. But I think that was not bad. First time virtually launching this bike, and I think it went pretty well. And if it did, it sure sounded amazing. So at least there's that consolation. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a gentle little click of the like button. No need to smash it or destroy it or anything too aggressive. I'm trying to spread love and good vibes on this channel. Consider subscribing if you want to see more Tuono V4 1100 factory content. Hear more of that glorious SC Project exhaust. Turn those notifications on if you want to know when I post another video. I've also got a Triumph Daytona 675R track bike that I'm planning to start racing with here soon, so that could be interesting as well. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Regardless, thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Later.